Welcome to the Renly Blue lock installation tutorial. We will show you how to set up your new lock in just a few simple steps. First, refer to your product manual and confirm that you have all the required components. First, make sure the bolt is pointing up. You will notice an up sign on the bolt for your reference. Slide the bolt assembly into the door frame until the mechanism is centered. If the bolt is not long enough for your door, simply adjust the end to make it longer. Using two black screws, attach the bolt assembly to the door. To avoid any issues, pay special attention to this step. To attach the faceplate, look on the back side and locate the pin and confirm it is in a vertical position. Locate the cross section on your bolts and continue to slide the pin through vertically. Next, align the screw mounting plate and gasket. Slide them through the bolt hole and fish the wire through the opening in the mounting plate. Use the two long silver screws to secure the mounting plate and rubber gasket. Feed the auto lock sensor through the rubber gasket and attach it. Confirm where the bolt is facing. In this case, the bolt is facing to the right. For a right-facing bolt, turn the thumb knob vertically. For a left-facing bolt, turn the thumb knob horizontally. Find the toggle on the rear side of the back plate. Use the right-left reference to switch it according to the direction your bolt is facing. Attach the lock wire to the lower mounting port and make sure the pins on the connector are facing down. Then, attach the auto lock wire to the upper ports with the connector pins facing out towards the lock edge. Use the short silver screws to secure the back plate to the mounting plate. Then use a long black screw on the bottom to fully mount the black plate. Try doing a quick check by first turning the thumb knob and manually locking and unlocking. Install the 4 included AA batteries on the battery plate. Then continue to mount the battery cover by sliding it from above. To test the lock, tap and hold the checkmark sign on the lock keypad for 3 seconds. The bolt should lock automatically. Test the auto lock sensor by simply closing both parts of the sensors together. Once tested, mount the magnet sensor on the door frame using its adhesive back. Finally, you will need to do an initial activation of your Renly Blue lock. First, download and install the Renly Manager app on your iOS or Android device. Then, use your existing Renly Manager account to log in. On the main screen, locate the Nearby tab with the Bluetooth symbol and tap it. Touch the keypad on your Renly Blue lock until it lights up. On your app screen, your lock serial number will appear. If you have multiple locks, make sure to match the serial number on the app with the serial number on top of your lock's keypad. Select the lock you want to pair and tap the unlock button. It's that simple. Now you're all set up and ready to use a Renly Blue lock. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for future updates about our products.